Divine Collective, we're starting with murder for hire. I'm picking up on a security, a bodyguard here. Someone that doesn't want to get their hands dirty, Spirit says. Murder for hire, security, bodyguard. Picking up on ego death. Someone who can't control you, Divine Collective, is very angry. Someone is going through an ego death here. Someone does not want to get their hands dirty. The ancestors are here, Divine Collective. The ancestors are offended by this person's actions. Something about an alleyway, Divine Collective. I see a dark alleyway here. Someone asking you to walk with them. Possibly leading you up an alleyway, or this was the plan. This was the action that they were going to take. Taking you on a walk, ending up in a dark alleyway. This is a warlock, Divine Collective. Murder for hire. 0 spiritual boundaries. You are protected, okay? I'm picking up on a time traveler in this reading, a time traveler. Someone feels inclined to apologize. Genuine. Someone feels inclined to apologize to you, Divine Collective. Someone that's tired of the toxic family dynamic that they chose to be in, Divine Collective. This is who feels inclined to apologize to you, okay? They chose a toxic family dynamic here. Belphegor is here. Gluttony. I was just speaking on this yesterday. Gluttony, Divine Collective. Someone tried sending the spirit of Belphegor towards you. Gluttony. Because you continue to change. They don't like how you are changing. They don't like how spiritual you are, Divine Collective. They don't like how inspiring you are to others. They don't like that you came out of the very toxic energy that they're still in, okay? I keep hearing Belphegor, gluttony. Someone here is depressed that your wishes are coming true, Divine Collective. Some of you may need to relocate. I'm picking up on new love here, okay? New love. I'm also picking up on, like, maybe in the beginning, it's a long distance relationship. You're getting to know one another, but I do feel like in due time, when the time is right, maybe you moving closer to someone here or them coming closer to you. I'm getting earth and fire. Within a year, Spirit says. This will take place within a year. Someone is wounded and they need to heal, okay? They need to heal. You've been guided to this exact moment, Divine Collective. Spirit says that your spirit team and guides are leading you right now. You may feel very emotional. For me, Divine Collective, I've been crying a lot. I feel like it's because I've been doing a lot of sacral work, energy work, healing, Divine Collective, but it feels so good. The release, it feels amazing, okay? You know, feeling those feelings are a little uncomfortable, but like I said, I feel so good afterwards. So you will feel a little emotional, I feel, in this stage of your path. You've changed so much here. You've done a complete 360, Divine Collective. I feel like you've put a wall up with everything, and a lot of you are slowly letting that wall down, and I am picking up on a lot of you in your emotions, okay? You've just changed so much, Divine Collective, in such a great way. There's a water sign here, an ex-lover. Someone's playing both sides. That is what I'm hearing. I'm not sure how to take that they're playing both sides, like maybe you have mutual friends, or they're playing both sides like they play for the opposite team, both sides. I don't know. Divine Collective, place the pieces where they fit, okay? Whoever this is, they misjudged you. I know that much. Or they are currently misjudging you. This is wild. I picked up on half truths this morning, and this card says you think you know, but it's half of the truth, okay? Spirit says this person is misjudging you. They think that they know you, but it's only half of the truth, okay? You have multiple love offers headed your way, Divine Collective. Someone here is just really tired. They're exhausted going up against you. I feel like someone's head hurts. Major migraine. They're exhausted. You've exhausted this, I want to say warlock, Divine Collective. Intuitively, I heard warlock. Yeah, they quit. Look, I looked down and the card said they quit. 5:52 on the clock. They know you will succeed, Divine Collective. Look, they're throwing in the towel here. No point. Someone feels like there's no point any longer. Okay? They know you will succeed. Spirit says it's time to leave all that behind. You are currently going through an ascension, Divine Collective. Court dates, court official. Someone here has a lot of bad karma due to the relationship, due to a past marriage, okay? I'm getting court dates being of significance. Whoever this is, this X444 I'm getting, they're very jealous, a lot of jealousy. Because you're so high vibrational, this person is very low vibrational. They can no longer confuse you. All their blocking, trying to block you, Divine Collective, and all that, that's all done. They can no longer confuse you. This is a Tinder scroller. Some spirit is showing me someone scrolling on Tinder. A Tinder scroller, Divine Collective. It would be very beneficial that whoever this is, this X, they surrender to God's will. It would be very beneficial if they would surrender to God's will. This masculine is praying that this karmic isn't pregnant. But before that, the card before that, Spirit says it would be very beneficial that this masculine surrender to God's will. But again, we can't force people to do things, Divine Collective. But the feeling that I'm getting is someone finding themselves in a place where now they need God. You know, all too often in life, Divine Collective, we forget about God until we need God, until we want to cry out or pray. And that's all fine and dandy. Don't let me make you feel bad because that's what you do. When I became aware of that, I changed it. Okay? Maybe a lot of you aren't aware that you only call on God when you need God, but that's not acceptable, okay? That's not acceptable. Talk to God each and every single day, the good times, the bad times, the indifferent times. You know, God is going to be there for you when no one else is, Divine Collective. You will never have to wonder if you can count on God or trust God. I don't feel like there's enough words that I know or in the English dictionary that could help me explain my love for God, Divine Collective, and how grateful I am that I'm still sitting here. But again, someone has found themselves in a situation where they're being forced to surrender because they're like, this can't be my life. I can't deal with this karmic for the next 18 years. I can't do this. Like, the thought alone has this person down for the count, okay? 9:16 on the clock. This is someone that you grew up with possibly, or you know, you knew this person from childhood. They're wanting to start over, Divine Collective. I heard I loved you at first sight. Fool's energy, but again, Divine Collective, in my last reading I picked up on a trickster. I do feel like someone is trying to pull out memories here and pull at your heartstrings. Now you can do what you want to do, but I do feel like this person needs to heal before they're allowed back into your space, okay? But again, Spirit gives us the opportunity to make up our own minds, and that's something